Hybrid cameras are popular among common users because they offer the best of both worlds: high-quality still photography and video recording capabilities in one device. With the rise of social media, people are increasingly looking for cameras that can produce both stunning photos and videos for sharing online. Advancements in technology have also made it possible for hybrid cameras to offer features that appeal to both amateur and professional photographers and videographers alike. And in today's video, we're going to find you the 5 best hybrid cameras that you can get in 2023. First, we have the Lumix S5 from Panasonic, a highly versatile camera that appeals to both photographers and videographers. It features updates to the DFD autofocus system, and although it is compact, it has a 24-megapixel CMOS sensor similar to that in the Lumix S1, but with improved autofocus. Its exceptional dynamic range, 4K video recording, and 96-megapixel high-resolution RAW and JPEG capture make it a top contender in its category. The camera boasts uncropped 4K 30p shooting, vlog support, time-lapses, anamorphic 4K compatibility, and more, making it highly appealing to videographers. The S5 is water and dust resistant, but lacks freeze resistance. It comes equipped with all ports including USB Type-C, which can provide power while recording and can be used for tethering the camera as a webcam. Overall, the Lumix S5 is a feature-packed camera with a full-frame sensor, a user-friendly body, and excellent video capabilities. Next, the Canon EOS R8 is a highly capable mirrorless camera that features a full-frame 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor and a Digic X processor. This combination results in a versatile camera that can be used for both still photography and videography. Its video capabilities are especially impressive, with the ability to shoot 4K video at 60 FPS in 10-bit quality, as well as oversampled 4K video from 6K footage. The EOS R8 also has 422 10-bit recording capabilities at 30 FPS for longer projects. The camera is designed to be fast and responsive, with a continuous shooting speed of up to 40 FPS, ensuring you capture every moment. The dual-pixel CMOS Autofocus 2 system provides fast and accurate autofocus, covering the entire sensor with 1,053 autofocus points. The EOS R8 also includes HDR PQ and Canon Log 3, which are professional-grade features to help you achieve high-quality results. Fujifilm has integrated their latest 40-megapixel BSI X-Trans CMOS APS-C sensor into their X-T5 camera model. This sensor, along with the high-speed image processing engine, the X5 Processor 5, produces excellent photographic results. With a mechanical shutter, it can shoot at 15 FPS, and it uses dual UHS-2 SD card slots. However, the X-T5 does not support ProRes modes. While it can shoot video, it is not as hybrid as the X-T2, and it offers 6.2K footage from a 1.22x crop instead of 8K. It supports 10-bit H.265 or 8-bit H.264, with options for F-Log2, F-Log, or HLG. The X-T5 uses the same battery as its predecessors and can shoot up to 6.2K at 30 FPS for 90 minutes or 4K at 60 FPS for 60 minutes. It is particularly well suited for wildlife and documentary photography genres. In addition to its performance, Fujifilm has responded to user feedback and reintroduced classic looks, dials, and display mechanisms from the X-T3. Coming up next, the ZV-E1 camera boasts a 12-megapixel sensor similar to those used in the A7S III and FX3 cameras. But it actually has a 48-megapixel sensor that has been down to produce a 12-megapixel image. This high-quality sensor makes the ZV-E1 an excellent choice for a professional-grade vlogging camera capable of shooting UHD 4K video at up to 60 FPS without any cropping. The ZV-E1 is the first in the ZV series to feature a full-frame sensor, which sets it apart from other cameras in the same lineup. While it doesn't have the 4K at 120 FPS capability of the A7S III, Sony has indicated that it will enable this feature through a future firmware update. While the compact body of the ZV-E1 may lead to thermal throttling, this camera is still an impressive choice for those in need of a high-quality vlogging camera. The Canon EOS R5 remains the go-to choice for most photography needs and is widely regarded as one of the best cameras on the market, even after being released for 3 years. It provides reliable performance and lightning-fast burst shooting, coupled with exceptional autofocus, making it a favorite among professionals. Despite being primarily designed for still photography, its most impressive feature is its full-width 8K RAW video capability. The R5's 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which comes directly from Canon's high-end EOS 1DX Mark III, has a low-pass filter design. The camera's deep learning AI autofocus delivers excellent face and eye detection and tracking for both photos and videos. In addition, the camera has 5-axis in-body stabilization that can reduce shake by up to 8 stops, although it works best with Canon's RF lenses specifically designed for R-series cameras. It's no surprise that people are eager to get their hands on this camera with its new sensor, autofocus system, and overall packed features. So, this was our list of the 5 best hybrid cameras of 2023. What do you think? Do you have any suggestions? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.